I'm fucking her. What's up, guys? Welcome to another little Timby. I'm with my bestie, Buddy Vlogs. Bestie jack off! Holy shit! Okay, so, guys, today we're gonna be smashing my iPod that we already started. Go watch, Buddy Vlogs is the name. Shit, where's a screwdriver, guys? Yep. Anyway, we're gonna take this shit to the garage. Always run with hammers facing toward you while the sharp end was. In case you fall, that way it goes in and it doesn't mark the floor up. Alright, you know what we're just gonna do is. Oh shit. Are you okay, sir? Should we do it? Or should we do it? Oh shit. I kinda want to do it right here, but I don't want to stay in the. Oh fuck yes. Idea popped inside my. Yes, even better. I don't have shoes on. No, my dad's on. Oh no, that is not a good sign. That is not a good sign. That means badness. Oh. Look what I found. Okay, we're gonna smash it right here. Look what I found, guys. You're touching his penis. A little. Anyway, so someone called in with a broken iPod yesterday, and we're gonna be fixing it up here. So let me just open it up because there's a virus in it. So I just had to get that virus out. So there's one of those. Anyway, go look on my boy Buddy Vlogs channel. I wonder if you could actually have it. Oh, I'm sorry, Buddy No Edits. Don't look at Buddy No Edits. he is now Buddy Vlogs. Holy shit. That is some high tech. Nicole. Ah! Buddy!
Yeah?
Come over here, kid.
Is there damage? Oh, I think you.
How do people even break these in the first place?
I don't know.
I'm gonna take out this, this is the virus.
I've
right
only
here.
broken my iPhone like
virus.
16 times.
Here's the virus. We got the virus out. Right. But there's actually like 5.
There's another one right here.
Just it went on my head. Oh fuck. Stop.
Oh shit, I'm sorry.
Okay, there.
Oh, wow. I think it is broken.
Well, we're not trying to break it here. We're trying to get the virus out of it. Because there's a virus.
You got the virus out.
Working on it right now, Chip.
I need to take massive shit. Oh, it is paper airplane. We make paper airplane now.
Making paper airplane out of iPod.
Holy shit.
I hope you viewers can see shit. Because we're doing it.
Hey, you want to hold my phone right here? I'll get this.
Maybe this is easier because then we can see whether we're seeing it or not.
Hold my phone like this right here. Please, think.
Oh. Beginning the dissection. Let me pull that out, doctor.
Yes.
Huh?
There we go. Now we destroy plastic.
It's black. How racist.
Oh!
Now you know
This
what
is
the
what is in
inside of iPod
Yes.
looks like.
Oh, yes, it is me.
Taking out interior.
Oh, no. What is behind this?
This monstrosity of penis
I have
nuts.
to get to the 10-minute mark. So, wait a sec. We have to wait 2 more minutes.
disgusting. No moans.
What is happening right now? This is crazy. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, I ended my video.
Alrighty then. It's a tea bag! Guys, the inside of an iPod is just a tea bag.
Holy shit. It is just okay.
You just walked the prank. It's actually a battery, I think. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I'd fuck you all. Probably. See you in the next one. Daddy. Ah!